These streams are attracting human bodies. These streams not attract wood, only attract human bodies only. My name is Harika, my partner name is Karuna. Today I am telling about lungs capacity. This is a lungs capacity. This is a measuring jar. This is a Levina pipe. First I will keep this pipe into a jar and this girl breathe and release the air in this pipe. The lung capacity is 140. My topic is see your own pupil. So pupil means in our eyes black color, that is a pupil. So this one box is red. The box of the mirror of this small circle shape called mirror. So if the pupil is see, this where the pupil is mirror. So this mirror is see of the pupil is big. So again see the mirror of the pupil black. So this is showing small shape. So you will see what stage how very small shape is. It is converted into this light torch in sunlight. Myself Snitch Diksha, studying 7th standard. She is my partner. She is studying 7th standard. Today I will tell about couple pendulum. Aim of this couple pendulum to demonstrate forced vibrations and transfer of energy. Material required. This is the support frame and this is the cylindrical wooden stick and this Pilika Sparrow from 9th A section. Today I want to explain about flaming right handle. In magnetism, flaming right handle shows the direction of a current. When a current attached to the circuit moves into a magnetic field, it can be used to determine the direction of current in a generator windings. And when a conductor such as a wire attached circuit move.
How it is possible? వెళ్ళినప్పుడు ట్రై చేయండి. దానితో పాటు పజిల్ని సాల్వ్ చేయండి. 1000 రూపీస్ మీ సొంతం చేసుకోండి. దీపిక వెయిటింగ్. ఆ పజిల్ని ఎవరు సాల్వ్ చేయలేకపోతున్నారు?
స్టడీయింగ్ 9th క్లాస్. టుడే మై టాపిక్ ఈస్ డీప్. చూడండి, ఇది చాలా చిన్నగా ఉంది కదా. మనం లైట్స్ ఆన్ చేయగానే ఎందుకు ఇది ఇంత పెద్దగా అయింది? బావి చాలా లోతుంది కదా. ఇప్పుడు ఎందుకు ఇది చిన్నగా ఉంది అంటే ఆ లైట్ది రిఫ్లెక్షన్ అనేది కింద పడడం వల్ల అది అంత లోతుగా అనిపిస్తుంది.
Nandini Sweru from 9th class. In the part of science fair, my topic is ear calendar. This song can be found they week in any year 2001 to 2100. Select one year. Now select sisters.
2007.
2007 is a calendar. Now select the month, sister.
September.
6. Date, sister.
10.
The day is Monday.
Yes, you are correct.
Today my topic is about parallel circuit and series circuit. In the parallel circuit, first of all we know about what is parallel circuit. Parallel circuit is known as its own independent circuits are there. I will on the switch. These two are oning, but it is not oning. Why? Because its own independent circuit is there. It is not on. That's why it is off in position. And series circuit. Series circuit is known as whole current flows in only one circuit for the electricity. I can on this.
Class, my topic ఇప్పుడు దీనికి నేను ఒక పేరు కడుతున్నా. దీని పేరు చిలకమ్మ. దీన్ని ఇప్పుడు మీరు నా మాలి మీద ఉంది. నేను కిందికి రమ్మన్నప్పుడు వస్తుంది, పైకి వెళ్ళాలి. అన్నప్పుడు వెళ్తుంది. ఆ డేట్ ఆ రోజు వస్తాం. మాకు క్యారెట్ వచ్చేస్తాయి, పైకి వచ్చేస్తాయి. చిక్కమ్మ పైకి వెళ్ళి పైకి వెళ్ళింది. ఎందుకంటే ఇప్పుడు మనం ప్రెస్ చేసినప్పుడు ఇందులోకి ఆర్టిఫిషియల్ take a metal tray and fill it with water. Place a mirror on the water. It make a angle. When the sunlight sun effect. When the sunlight in the mirror form fluid. First of all, pour in the honey in the boiling pool and some pour in the milk and shampoo and oil. Honey density is high. Why? Because comparing with other fluids.